to the Handbag Angels YouTube channel, or if this is your first time here, thank you very much for watching. Hello, I hope you will stick around for our future videos. A very quick introduction if you are new here. My name's Jess and I work for a company called Handbag Angels, as the YouTube channel name suggests, and we are the home of luxury, bespoke handbag liners, accessories, all things handbags. But enough of that, let's get on with today's video. In today's video, I want to share with you the ultimate handbag hack, or tip if you want to call it. But before I get into that, I should probably show you the handbag that I'm actually going to be talking about today. And this is our newest addition to our Chanel handbag family. I am obsessed with this bag, it is so nice. So I came into work on Tuesday or Wednesday and there was a Chanel bag on my desk, unopened, completely in its new packaging and everything. I was like, oh my gosh, what's this? Basically, my two directors had done a bit of shopping at the weekend, so this handbag was a complete mystery to me as to what it was. I did do an unboxing on our Instagram, so you can go and take a look at that if you would like. So I was very excited to see what this handbag was going to be. I won't keep you waiting any longer. The new handbag was this stunning Chanel Reissue in the mini size. Now the colour of this Reissue handbag is stunning. I am absolutely in love with this red, and I'm not a red person, I'm not a big lover of red, but this is just beautiful. It's so nice, and the colour of the gold hardware just matches the red so nicely. And you can probably see there as well that the leather is slightly crinkled, so I just love the overall look of the bag. Also, I've never really paid much attention to reissue bags in general, as in when I've been looking at handbags online. It's just not been something that has caught my eye, but until I've seen this in the person, what's the word I'm looking for? I've been converted, that's what I'm looking for. I've been converted to the reissue bags. I absolutely love it. And the chain detail is just stunning. So the handbag hack that I want to talk to you about today is all about this little beauty and the reissue handbags in general, really. You can't tell too much on our handbag, but it does actually fold at the sides. You can't really tell on this one too much because it is brand new. But over time, the reissue handbags do fold in a lot at the sides because they were actually designed to be like that. And at the base as well, again, you probably can't tell, but the base also folds down on itself, and it almost looks, I'll try and find some pictures online and I'll pop them on this video, and I'll kind of credit where I've got them from and stuff, just to show you what these bags can actually eventually look like. They basically fold down on themselves. They don't open up like ours is now, and it's actually a design feature which surprised me, to be honest. But yeah, apparently Karl Lagerfeld wanted the bags to look like that. However, us being, absolute handbag care specialists, if you'd like to call us, we don't like that. We don't want our reissue to start sagging and creasing. We want it to stay in the best condition possible, and you should be as well. But you don't have to. It's personal preference what you want your bags to look like. But we just don't feel like a saggy Chanel bag is what you want when you are paying X amount. I literally looked at the price on my computer before coming to do this video, and it has completely gone out of my head. I know there's a 6 in there, so I'm gonna have to put it on the screen. But anyway, I just feel like if you're paying so much for a Chanel bag, why would you want it to flatten and crease and, you know what I mean? I just don't see the benefits of that. So therefore, we have designed the perfect fitting handbag liner that is going to help you keep your reissue supported and just opened up and free from that dreaded bag sag. So here is the standard handbag liner for this bag. Now if you aren't so bothered about your handbag staying supported, then this is the liner for you, because this is purely made from our 3mm felt. There's no extras in it or anything like that. No pockets either, because we just felt that the pockets were taking up a bit too much room. And if you are purely looking for a liner that will internally protect your reissue, then this is the one for you, and you should be able to see the fit of that in there. It's absolutely perfect. It finishes just below the internal pockets of the bag, so you can still access those, no problem. And using the liner like this, it's going to be purely for internal protection purposes. It's not going to give your bag that much support. And over time, it is likely that the bag will start to fold in the way that it's supposed to fold. However, if you are looking for something that is going to, you know, fully support your reissue, then this is the liner that you want. This liner is the exact same size as the one I've just showed you, but the difference being it has reinforced sides. So in the sides here and here, there is like a sturdy material enclosed between the felts. And this is going to just keep the sides of the bag upright and supported at all times. And we've also got one of our base shapers in there. So our base shapers are made from the same sturdy material, enclosed between our 3mm felt, and these sit in the bottom of your handbag liners like that. And they're just going to help to reinforce the bottom of the liner and keep the base of your bag fully supported. So when you place this into your reissue, it's the same concept. It's still going to internally protect the bag, but it's going to open up those sides and the base gently and safely, and it's just going to stop that sag happening, and it's going to stop any material creasing, because again, that's the last thing you want on one of your Chanel bags. And the base is going to be kept pretty much flat as well. And you can see in there that the fit is identical to the original one. So yeah, that is like my ultimate handbag hack. If you want to make sure that your reissue is kept supported and you don't want the bag sag to happen, get one of our handbag liners. I've also got something else to show you, and this is our ultimate storage protection kit for the mini reissue. We already have protection kits for a lot of the classics, like the medium classic flap and the mini. The boy bag, we've got, what else have we got? Oh, the 19. Why have all the classic bags just completely gone out of my head? Bottom line of what I'm trying to say is that we've got a lot of protection kits already on the website. Our newest one being for the mini reissue. So I'm going to show you what this includes. And again, this is going to just keep the shape of your bag even better than just the liner alone. So in our ultimate storage protection kit, you get the liner, which I've already mentioned, and you have the option to add on the side shapers and the base shaper if you'd like. And then you also get a really cute little handbag cushion just to further support the bag during storage. So don't use the cushion when your handbag's in use. This is just for storage purposes, and it's just going to keep it gently padded out, and particularly with the front here, it's just going to stop it from dropping down over time, because when you store your bag, it's likely that you will close it up, and over time you just don't want that to press on the leather too much. You want it to be kept upright, and you just don't want this to start going inwards like a U. So there's the cushion in there. Next, we also have a flap protector. Now, if you're familiar with your Chanel bags, you'll know that quite a lot of them do come with like a black felt protector. They're a little bit flimsy though. So in our protection kits, we offer a little bit of a stronger felt protector, and you can also personalize it with your initials and a really cute pocket trim on the bottom there. You fit it over the clasp, and it comes with a hole already designed to just sit over it like that, and then you need to fold this top bit inside the bag. So once that's folded in, it looks like that, and then all you need to do is close your handbag up. Now, with there being, you know, a little bit more inside the bag, well, a lot more inside the bag than there would be if it was empty, it does require a little bit of a push down to then close the clasp properly. And I've just closed the clasp up and locked the bag, and everything is now like set in place, and you can see your initials peeping out there. We've gone for HA for Handbag Angels, but yeah, it just looks really cute. And if you're one of the people that likes to store their handbags like on display in a shelving cabinet or something like that, these are going to look so cute when you've got all your bags on display, and you can see all your little initials and the trims. Really cute. Moving on, the final component of our protection kit is a chain protector or a chain pouch. Now, I do only have the chain protector with me just because 80% of customers do tend to go for these. Now, or you could call these chain wraps, that's what they are sometimes referred to as, but they are just pieces of felt with Velcro on, and you simply place these, let me get it the right way around, in the middle of the chain holes like that, and then you're just going to start layering your chain on top of the felt. So I always start like that, bringing it all to one side, then you're going to take it back, oops, this is hard to do, not holding it down. You're then going to take the chain back on itself and just basically pile it onto the felt until it's all sat on top of the felt, and then you're going to wrap the felt around it. Like I said, it's quite fiddly, so having to do it down here. And that's what that looks like when all the chain is in the protector. I'm just holding it because I've got the bag up like this and I don't want it to fall. So that is like the safest and most effective way of storing the chain. Some people do store them in, some people do store the chains inside the bags, but when you've got a cushion in there and a liner and the flap protector, you don't really want to add too much more pressure, so it's probably better to store it on top. The other option, if you didn't want the protector, is a little felt pouch. If you do like to store your chain inside your handbags, you can thread it all through, pop it in the chain pouch inside the bag, and you then wouldn't have this sat on the top. And there we have our ultimate storage protection kit for the Chanel Mini Reissue. Now, I feel like maybe apart from the chain protector, every component in this kit is going to make sure that your reissue stays in the best shape and condition possible, which is important anyway, because like I've already said, you're paying thousands for a bag, you're going to want it in the best condition possible. And B, if you are ever going to sell your bags one day, you will definitely, well, I am 99% sure that you will get a higher potential resale value if your handbag is still in its like new shape and condition. You also have the option to add your initials to the cushion inside as well. But yeah, that is all the components of our kit. And also something worth noting, these make such really cute Christmas presents. Imagine giving a personalised protection kit as a gift this year, so bear that in mind. That does bring today's video to an end. I did just want to quickly run over our new protection kit and our liners. If you would like to see a full video just on the Mini Reissue, do let me know in the comments, and that is something I can film for you all. We've also got another new Chanel bag coming, so keep your eyes out. Well, it's already here, but it's coming to social media very soon, so do keep your eyes peeled for that. And I think it is my favourite Chanel bag out of all the ones, Handbag Angels. Oh, and I think this is my favourite. So yeah, keep your eyes out for that. Thank you so much for watching today. I will link everything in the description, and it would be lovely if you could subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Thank you.